Greetings and welcome back to this particular training of ours, dear learner. In this particular video, we are going to go ahead and get through some help in regards with this particular tab, which is at the top of the Google Analytics interface known as customization. It is a particular entity which has some kind of advanced mechanism in relation with analytics. So as I had shared through that this would be something which we'll be seeing through at a later point of time. So this is the right juncture to go ahead and explore this. As the name itself suggests, we can understand that this particular tab is something which can be used for doing some kind of custom work or some custom reporting or custom integration in relation with our analytics reporting and decision making process. Thus, to do through the same, let me give you a typical example which will help us understand this in a better manner. Out here, as you can see through, I'm in the audience tab under the location sub tab, where I can see through the country based details of different locations from where I am receiving users to the website. In this particular scenario, let's say that I am looking for an additional entity of data so as I can monitor the user management in a better manner. For example, out here I am having data about sessions, bounce rate, pages per session, average session duration, etc. But together with that, let's say if I am looking through for getting page views related data also in the same line with a column showing the page views report for each country. By default, as we have understood and learned through about the various tabs, we are knowing that page views related data is indeed available through in the behavior tab, where it is being provided through across in the form of various pages or different sections or even different set of landing pages of the website. So if this kind of data which is related to another section or a subsection in analytics, if we want to see through in one of the other sections, like this data about page views which is specifically in the behavior section, I'm looking forward at getting that data together and see it through in the audience section under the location based sub element or location based report. Then in that scenario, is there an option available to do so? So here is where the role of customization or custom reports will come in picture. If I'm looking to get through such kind of custom data, the best way I can do through is with the help of this tab at the top named through as customize. So if I go ahead and click through on that and check through the various entities of data which is being shown out here, which is about sessions, page views, bounce rate or average session duration, etc, etc. Out there I have the ability to go ahead and add through or even change through one of the set values and get through the data about page views. For example, if I want to see through the data about page views out here instead of data about goal conversion rate, then I can simply go ahead and click through out here and search across for page views, and past searching through for page views, I can see there is the user related data for page views or unique page views. So I'll select through that, and as I'm creating a custom report, past clicking on the tab, I need to go ahead and name through this particular report so as I can easily understand it. So I'll name it across the report as location report with page views, and pass giving through that titling out here. I can go ahead and click through on save at the bottom of the page. As soon as I do that, I have indeed created a custom report. You can see through the naming out here, which says location report with page views. And if I go ahead and scroll through down out here, just besides the tab of average session duration, I am having a tab of page views where I can see the data regarding page views, which is currently shown for continent basis. If I want to check it on a country base, I can click on this tab of country, and then I am having the data for each country of how much page views I am achieving through from that. Together with this, let's say if I am even interested in knowing through the unique page views, I can again go ahead on this edit tab out there, and in the interface just besides page views, let's say I also want to see data of unique page views, I'll click on this drop down and again search across for page views, within which I can find through that there is the particular element of unique page views, which I'll select through, and once I'm done with that, I'll go ahead and click through on save. So this is a methodology with the help of which we can customize certain set of reports, or we can customize many different set of reports in our analytics interface and then see through the data. So here you can see that both the columns of page views and unique page views are being seen. So these kind of customization which we do, they are not directly seen in the reporting interface because there are the standard reports which are provided through to us, but with the help of customization, all the reports which we create, we can see them under the customization tab. And out here, if you like to explore new stuff and are really enthusiastic in getting deeper and loving through the data which you want to analyze for your site, you have this tab of overview, in which by default the reports which you have created can be seen. But if you're looking at even knowing that how other people create custom reports, or what are few of the custom reports which experts prefer to create through an analytics, you have this nice tab known as import from gallery, within which you can go ahead and check through some ready set of custom reports which some other person who is knowing through about analytics and has some insights to share with you would have created through and shared across. Like here you can see there are custom report by Mr. Avinash Kaushik or by the Google Analytics team itself. So you can go ahead and directly click through on import, and that report would be coming through in your account. So here you can see that here is a user started bundle kind of report which has a good side of insights like really engaged traffic segmentation and even mobile matrix by hour and a lot of data which could be helpful to you. So if you are interested in that, you can go ahead and click on the import tab and you will be provided through with that particular data where you want to create through the same. So here past clicking on import, when I am clicking on the create tab, there is this report getting imported through in my interface, and once that is done through, I'll be able to see through that data in my analytics interface under my custom report mechanism. So here in the customization tab, now you can see through in a time frame of few minutes I'm having so many different custom reports being created through. So that's a great mechanism with the help of which you may be able to get details, but definitely do understand this is a bit of an advanced stuff. You first need to get some hands-on practice yourself, past learning the concept, and even get some more kind of accountability in understanding through at what is happening in each of the report. So with that being said, we have seen through the customization part in Google Analytics and hope you have enjoyed the same. Do practice through it and hope that you are enjoying this complete curve of learning digital marketing and learning about Google Analytics. Talk to you soon and see through details further in our coming sessions. Thanks and bye bye.